Welcome back everybody. What I have today is a few challenge locks that were sent to me by Hobby Picker off the UK Locksport forum. He does have a YouTube channel and I will try and put a link in the description below so you can go check out his channel. Absolutely great channel. And he very kindly sent me some challenge locks. So we have Simple Yet Satisfying by pinned by Trekmaster30. Very nice bitten on the key. Does work very smoothly. We also have a Yale that is pinned up by Trekmaster30. Yes, it's a lock. And there's the bitten on that key. And we have two locks that I still assume that are challenge locks, but they don't have no names of who's done them. This one doesn't have a key. And the bitten on this key. Very nice. Does stick, that one, but does open. But today I'm going to pick this Yale by Trekmaster30. Yes, it's a lock. I watch his channel quite a lot and I really like some of the locks that I've seen people pick, and this will be the first one of his that I'll have picked, if I get it picked. If I don't pick it, you won't see this video. It does stick a little bit there, and then the bit on the back gets caught. And the keyway looks like I can work from the bottom. Yep, very nice keyway. So hopefully we can get this picked and gutted today. I will be using pin side tension. Straight in looking for a binder. Pin 4, got to click out of him. Pin 3. That was pin 5. Pin 5 again. That's pin 4. That was pin 2. I think that was a little click on pin 6 there. I can only assume that this is serrated in this lock, as I'm not getting very much movement on the core, but a lot of little clicks. That's counter rotation on 2. 3. That's 5 again. Got a little movement off the cord there, and I think I touched on pin 6. That was pin 4. Pin 3. 2. Little click out of 1. Slipped off a pin there, I think. I think that's pin 4. Pin 2 there. Got a little bit of movement there, but I think something keeps dropping as I'm picking it. Was pin 4 again. really light tension now. Pin 3. That was pin 2. Moving into a full set. I think it's counter on 1. Lost the full set. I'm hoping I haven't overset something here. I think I have there. Again, really light tension. That was pin 4. That was a little click out of 6. 5. I think that was a click out of 4. I was that deep into the lock. I think it was 4. But we do have an open. Yep. Yep, we do have an open. Move this over there. I'll try and keep the lock open. I don't have a bigger flathead screwdriver on me. Take that off there. And I will shim it as it is a challenge lock. That caused me to be pushed out a little bit there. That wouldn't have been very good, would it? And this little tool was made by Foxy in Germany, and it fits over the back of that lock absolutely lovely. But I will be using it this side. Trying to do this through the camera and it's not my friend. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. Everything looks pretty deep down too. Very deep down. Let's take these out and have a look. And we do have, looks like undercuts in some of them. Threads in 1, 2, 3 is undercut on both sides, 4 threads, threads on 5, and undercut on 6. Very nice work on that. Let's take a look upstairs. Take a look at these at the end. Don't just hate when that happens. Some lovely pins in this. Try and get the last 2 from the back. It's a really sharp pin, that. Let's take a look in there. There's no modifications to the top, but I probably could have figured that out. So the pins are absolutely awesome lock, and the pins in this are really nice. That looks like a stepped serrated pin with a triple serrated key pin. Serrated key pin in 2 with another stepped sort of serrated pin. That's very nice, that pin. A sort of spool with a wide serration in. Just a standard in the key pin on 3. These serrations are very nice, very fine. Absolutely lovely work on these. It's really nice. I don't think there would have been a chance of oversetting, mind, because the pins were so far down in the keyway. And last is a very sharp spool in 6. Absolutely brilliant lock. Thank you very much for sending it to me, Hobby Picker, and thank you Trekmaster30 for making the lock. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.